Hold up, I am on my way.
Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Quanna. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some awesome stocking stuffers that you can use from Glamnetic. So Glamnetic is the first magnetic lash company. They have lashes, they have different eyeliners, and they also have nails, like press-on nails that you can use. So in today's video, I'm just going to show you how you can use all of them. If after watching this you're interested in purchasing any of these products, I have a coupon code for you, which you can see right here across the screen, and also in the description box, along with all of the links to the different products that I'm showing you. If you're interested in learning more about these products, go ahead and keep watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to let me know what you think about this video. Okay, we're gonna get started. I ordered the Glamnetic liner in the shade Pink Ruby, so I'm gonna start just by shaking this up, and then I'm gonna apply. I'm gonna do a winged liner today. So I always do it by starting at my lower lash line and putting it up towards the tail end of my brow, just making a straight line, or a diagonal line, I guess I should say, and then just sweeping it over. It says you should use these once the liner is about 80% dry. It seems to dry pretty fast, so I'm going to go ahead and start applying. I'm using the Lashes OMG. I'm shook. That was so easy. Oh my gosh. Y'all, that is crazy. I'm still shook. Wow. I'm not even gonna lie, I didn't think these were gonna be easy to apply, but like, that is incredible. So in each lash package, it comes with these little anchors that it says you can use if you're having trouble like getting them, I guess, in the inner and outer corners to stay. I don't think I need them, but I feel like I should try them just to see like if it does anything different. So I have my little tweezers, and I guess I'm just gonna take it and you just like this is so cool. Oh my gosh, it literally just like snapped it together. So again, these are the Lashes OMG and Love. In Love. Okay, the next pair of lashes that I'm going to try is in Vibe. I'm going to go ahead and apply some more liner just to make sure that it's, you know, whatever it needs to be, and then we'll apply. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. I'm just so surprised at how easily these like grab onto that liner's unbelievable, honestly. This is the last pair I got. This is ECSTASY X, and probably the ones that I'm the most excited for because I've never had colored lashes before, so let's try these out. Wow, look how cool these are, y'all. And they don't just like come off. They're on there. Alright, these are the nails in Winter Storm. So there are application instructions on the back of the package, so I'm just going to follow those. So I really appreciated that all of their packaging came with instructions on how to use them. Here I'm just showing you what all came in the nail kit. So obviously it came with the nails that were on display in the front. It came with alcohol pads to make sure that you could clean the nails properly. It also came with additional nails so that you could, you know, try on different sizes. It came with a nail file and a cuticle pusher. So here I'm just testing out the different nails to see which sizes are going to fit me best. And then I'm starting on my nail prep. So I just used a nail clipper to like clip my nails to the desired length. And then it didn't suggest doing this, but I used the nail file to just like create a little bit of grit on my nails because in my head that makes the nails stick on better and last longer.
And then definitely it's important to use the alcohol pads because this makes sure that you don't have any oils on your nails that will prevent the nail glue from sticking. So from there, it's pretty much self-explanatory. You use the glue, you put it on both your nail and the press-on nail, and then you just apply. It recommends applying at an angle and then holding it down. I held each nail down for about 30 seconds, and then they were secure and ready to go. And these things were so strong. I don't know what they have in this nail glue, but these things did not come off. I braided my hair, did all kinds of stuff, and it did not come off. So these are Winter Storm. Love them. The almond shape was beautiful, and I love that it was like a duochrome look. Here I'm showing you my second and last pair or set that I got, and this is Cream de Nude. Also loved these. So again, don't forget to use my coupon code quonna15 for 15% off. And thank you for watching this video. Make sure to leave a comment below, subscribe, and follow me on my social media. See you in my next one.